Hello guys, today I'm going to review Amazfit Bip watch. Soon I'm going to take you guys on a travel hunt. So stay tuned till the end to know how did I purchase such an amazing product at 60 USD. Let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Amazfit Bip watch comes in a white box. The seller had provided a universal replacement silicone watch strap and a protective screen frame for the Amazfit Bip smartwatch for free. The smartwatch has a battery capacity of 200 mAh. It can last up to 45 days if not using the built-in GPS and other extra features. On one full charge while using all the features of the watch can run up to 10 days. That is quite surprising for a smartwatch. The package contains a Amazfit Bip watch, charging dock, and a user manual for the instruction how to set up the watch with your phone. Amazfit Bip is a sport smartwatch with Bluetooth connectivity and Wi-Fi dual-core GPS heart rate monitor. It can connect to devices which has Android 4.4 or higher version, and for iOS users it can connect to iOS 9 or higher version. The smartwatch is water and dust resistant with IP68 rating and can be submerged into 1.5 meter or 5 feet of fresh water. The watch has all-time on display with a Gorilla Glass protection. The touchscreen features on the watch can be only enabled by pressing the side button. Otherwise, the touchscreen feature on the watch is been disabled to save the battery life. In the settings menu, you can customize the watch by using the watch face features. You can also find your mobile with this watch if it's connected with Bluetooth, and a factory reset for resetting the watch itself. To record your steps and your daily heartbeat activity, you need to install MiFit app. The MiFit app has a workout page, friends page, and a profile page. In the workout page, you can set walking, running, and cycling, which monitors your heart rate. interesting feature of this watch is that you can decline or ignore the incoming call which is coming on your mobile. You can also customize the notification which can be seen on the watches. You can customize which all apps notifications should be shown on your watch. Overall, I would say that the watch is excellent as it provides so many features at such an affordable price. Now coming to the point, how did I purchase at so low price? There is no coupon code. Actually, I had purchased it from AliExpress. As in Amazon, the same product without any free gift, it was costing 72 USD. I have provided a link in the description. In the next video, I would teach you how to place an order in AliExpress or cancel any order and get the refund for the same. So till then, stay tuned to Travel Hat.